Are you looking for the best bookcases in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best bookcases that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. ECR 4Kids 36" Birch bookcase with adjustable shelves. Keep your baby's study room looking neat by getting them this bookcase. The bookcase has large shelves, which are also adjustable to fit different sizes of books. Besides, it is not lockable, so you can display the books on the shelves for easy selection and arranging by your kids. It is made of quality wood material and measures 36 by 12 by 36 inches to fit in small areas. The finishing on this bookcase is remarkable since it has a neutral finish that blends well with other furniture in the room. Also, this bookcase is perfect for use in schooling institutions such as preschool or daycare. The bookcase is versatile as you can use it to organize other baby essentials like toys. At number 4. ECR 4Kids ELRO 450 Birch 2 Shelf Storage Cabinet with Back. This is a multifunctional bookcase ideal for organizing kids' books and toys in the room. The unit may only have 2 shelves, but they are quite wide to accommodate multiple books and other essentials. It is crafted with the open shelves design so the kids can have an easy time accessing their books or toys in the bookcase. Still, this ensures they have an easy time when organizing the books on the shelves. This bookcase can easily move around when shifting or setting up in the room as it has 4 casters. The casters are removable if you want to set up the unit in one place permanently. At number 3. Kidcraft Sling Bookshelf. What you will love about this bookcase for kids is the shelf style. The 4 canvas shelves allow you to display the books on either front or back cover so the kids can have an easy time choosing their preference. This also allows freedom since the kids can easily choose the book they want to read without supervision. This bookcase unit may retail at an affordable rate, but it has durable material crafting. The shelves are made with tear-resistant canvas materials, while the frames are made with strong wood. The shelves are also quite deep to hold the books firmly. Note that this bookcase comes unassembled, but putting the parts together does not take long. At number 2. Kidcraft Bookcase with Reading Nook. Create a mini library for your kid in his room with this bookcase. It is a full bookcase unit that comes with a padded seat to relax while reading. Besides the classic design, this bookcase comes in 3 different colors, so you can choose a color that blends with your kid's room. The bookcase has 6 storage spaces that can fit different book sizes, plus additional storage areas on the seat to accommodate large books. If your kid wants to display his toys on this bookcase, it is made for multifunctional purposes. At number 1. Kidcraft Wood and Canvas Sling Bookshelf Furniture for Kids. I would recommend this bookcase for homes with small spaces as it is made in a compact size. This bookcase measures 24 by 11.75 by 28 inches to save space on areas where you install it. However, this is a convenient storage bookcase that can accommodate multiple books for your kids. It has deep canvas shelves that keep the books stored firmly. The canvas materials also protect the edges of the books from damages. Moving this bookshelf around even by kids is quite easy since it only weighs 1 kilogram. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.